Temporal, meaning schedule. Eto na. Ilang minutes ba dapat, Teacher Tina, ang paggamit ng gadget? Actually, for children who are very, very young, let us not exceed 30 minutes. Very young meaning preschool. Ako nga, mas gusto ko grade 1 and 2 eh. Very minimal kung pagbibigyan nyo. Aside from the number of minutes, there is a start and end time. Okay? Ang ayaw po natin, hinahayaan lang natin mag-surf yung anak natin. What another thing about temporal environment or schedule? As I mentioned earlier, when it's eating time, especially with your teenagers, huwag niyo pong paggamitin, hindi ba't gusto ninyo na ang goal natin ay nag-uusap-usap ang pamilya sa hapagkainan? Okay? And I said it also earlier, sana hindi yung patulog. Okay? Sana naka-schedule na, kasi kunyari sa preschool class, naka-schedule na yung routines niya for the day. O lola, iiwan ko na sa inyo yung apo ninyo. Ang gagawin nyo ng alas 9, ganito. Alas 10, ganito. Alas 11, ganito. Planadong-planado ang araw. Hindi, alam nyo, mukha lang siyang mahirap. Pero kung araw-araw ginagawa yon, it becomes the routine of the child and the child automatically does it because he has been doing it every day. They thrive with routines. So, if you do not or you minimize the gadget as a routine, it will be the routine of the child. However, if you give the child a gadget and then you just leave the gadget with that child, that is the routine of that child. Kaya kayo nahihirapan bawiin pag nagka-problema na. Kasi nabigay na natin. So mas mabuti pong kontian ang pagbigay dahil mas mahirap po na ibigay at bawiin. Okay. It's always about routines.